Good morning, fellow bushcrafters. I'm taking a little hike this morning up into the woods here, kind of northeast of Union, Oregon. And I was walking up this little ravine that you see here, and I came across something that posed a question that I want to ask you about. As you can see up in here, there is no water flowing down. But starting right here, you can see it right about in this area here, especially over here. The water is starting to seep up out of the ground, and is actually moving. I don't know if you can tell right here, but in the sunlight, you can see the water is moving. And then it just very slowly trickles down this way to just before that rock right there. It actually has a little bit of a puddle and absorbs back into the ground. And I just happened to find it. And I was walking up back here and there was no water, and I walked up here and I came back down and found the water. So, but anyway, my question is, and in case you can't see it, but that little white spot right there, the little about 3-gallon bucket that you could use in a survival situation. Again, use the stuff that you find. And if you're in a dire need, you're trying to be rescued, here's a tire that you could use for signaling, making some thick black smoke to be found. Anyway, back to the question. You're needing water, and you find this little stream, and I'm going to say this is a spring, probably coming up right here. Would you dig a hole here and collect the water? Would you consider that drinkable, since it's coming straight out of the ground? You're getting it right straight from the source. Or would you dig a hole and collect the water and filter it? Or would you collect the water and boil it? And use chemicals or whatever means you use for purifying the water? But that was just a question. To me, I would consider this a safe drinking source. I would dig a hole here and let it puddle up and clean up the debris, the filter itself out and get rid of the mud. And then I would consider that a safe drinking source because it's coming right from the source. It's not going to get contaminated, and especially since it's flowing, the water coming into it's going to be fresh right out of the ground, straight from Mother Nature's filtering source, the earth. So anyway, post your comments below and let me know what you think, and share it with everybody else in the bushcrafting community. Have a good day in the woods. Washington Red Bear out.